Hey there, Halloween friends! We're back with a super cool spooky adventure on our channel. Today, we've got something awesome for all you trick-or-treaters. Get ready to be amazed as we make the most magical witch's shoe ever. We began with a fancy witch's shoe, but it's not like any other shoe you've seen. We packed it full of amazing Halloween treats. Let's see what we've got inside. First, imagine a candy that looks like it's been plucked right from a haunted graveyard. It's a candy gravestone. It might give you a little shiver as you enjoy its spooky sweetness. We also have a candy shaped like a wriggly worm. Next, we've got a lollipop that's shaped just like a skull. Don't worry, it's more sweet than scary. You can munch on it while you're out on your Halloween adventure. And a candy shaped like a hockey stick because, you know, even witches love a good game of broomstick hockey during the Halloween season. We've got more candies shaped like spooky worms and other Halloween treats too. But wait, we're not done yet. We've also got an eye-shaped candy that's watching you. Not really, it's just candy fun. We even added some sparkles in the background. Now here's where the magic really happens. We've taken our witch's shoe and colored it in a bewitching combination of deep orange and eerie blues, the colors of the night sky and the flames of a cauldron. And of course, our candies are as colorful as a rainbow. Reds, blues, greens, yellow, and more. They're all here to add a pop of color to our spooky shoe. So whether you're planning a witchy fashion statement or you're just looking for some delicious Halloween treats, our Enchanted Witch's Shoe has got you covered. It's a bewitching delight that'll make your Halloween night even more magical. Thanks for joining us on this spooktacular journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Halloween treat in the comments below. Until next time, keep the magic alive and have a hauntingly good time. Witches and wizards.